Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. VM Investments has acquired a stake in local manufacturing and distribution company Home Choice. The deal was signed on Monday. The cost of the acquisition was not disclosed. Managing Director of Home Choice, Karima Munsi, says the additional capital will be used for expansion.
It is in line with our strategic goals, where we want to get more expansion in the U.S. and the local market. With this investment, we'll be able to lay out a better factory space where we're planning on expanding the factory about threefolds, so we'll be able to add new products and get more automated. We're looking on tripling our production by mid-2023. While we make ourselves to the stock market, we are preparing to enter onto the stock market, the junior stock market, by the end of 2023-24.
Tourist arrivals and earnings are projected to increase further this year as the Tourism Ministry pumps more into rebounding the sector. However, small hoteliers, especially in Negril, have complained they are being left out of the effort. Details in this report.
Despite the COVID-19 Omicron variant threat at the start of the winter tourist season in January, Director of Tourism Donovan White revealed that the sector recovered well. There were 840,000 visitors by the end of the season on April 30.
That's a good recovery, to be honest, because at the middle of February, we thought we might not have been able to recover so strongly, and that's a testimony to the work that our partners in the destination is doing.
However, small hoteliers in Negril believe they're being left out.
We need more direct marketing effort to direct the customers, not to direct the customers, but to inform them of what it is outside the large properties into our small property.
Small property owners recently met with the Negril Chamber of Commerce and the Jamaica Tourist Board to discuss the way forward. When the meeting ended, all parties seemed optimistic.
We were promised that they would be helping us to achieve our goal, which is to get Negril out there in the marketplace as a desirable destination.
We're looking at doing a mini trade expo here in Negril later on in the year, and we're looking to bring some new markets out of Europe to come and meet with our Negril partners and explore the product here in Negril and get a better sense, a better feel of the ability for them to market Negril as a destination in parts of Europe that we believe is aligned to the product of Negril.
Mr. White attributes the strong recovery of the sector to the work of the marketing teams of the JTB and the Ministry of Tourism. And despite global COVID-19 fears, there were 1.8 million visitors in 2021. Projections are for 2.1 million visitors this year.
End of this calendar year, our earnings forecast is in the region of $3.1 billion US. Those numbers, of course, are subject to change, all things being equal. We are watching very carefully the movement in the economic matrix across the world to see how that changes and how that may adjust or affect our earnings projection.
For the Negril proprietors, they just want their slice of the pie. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The U.S. currency is selling for an average $154.74. $122.62 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $194.52 for the pound. It's costing an average $167.70 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 2,129 points today, while the junior market index gained 57 points. Among the winners, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Jamaican dollar shares, Stanley Motor, Berger Paints Jamaica, Radio Jamaica, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica. On the losing side were FLE Limited, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Productive Business Solutions 9.7% cumulative redeemable shares, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, and Scotia Group Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.